So he doesn't know that we are going to a helicopter ride over New York City. So Blabe, you finally want to know what we're doing?
Sure, I'd love to know what we're doing. What are we doing?
We are going on a helicopter ride.
A helicopter ride? What do you mean we're going on a helicopter ride?
We're going on a helicopter ride over New York City with the doors open.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Woo!
Can I stand on this?
I don't know.
I just assume so, right?
Yeah, go ahead if you want.
Whoa.
Right now, we are all strapped in and we're waiting for our helicopter ride, and we decided to upgrade for $75 per person more, which is a little bit less expensive than on the website.
For you can put it around your neck for now, and then when Gregory is done briefing you, you can put it around.
All right. Yeah.
Was really good. Pros is that it definitely got us down to the ground as low as possible, and we got some really good shots of like the Statue of Liberty, the Freedom Tower. Cons are that you don't get to choose your seats. It's actually determined by your weight, and only 3 out of the 6 people get a chance to stick their foot out. There was also the fact that it wasn't like the full allotted time up in the air, which sucks. But anywho, nonetheless, it was a great experience, and given the fact that this is for my Blabe's birthday, I love that he enjoyed it so much, right? Until next time, bye!